Hi guys, this is Dora Dashley again. Today I'm going to show you a very simple, fun activity for practicing subitizing and starting to practice subtraction. We're going to use a regular dice just like this one, and we're going to roll it. And I'm going to look at the number, but I'm not going to say it. I'm going to look at the number and think the number is 3, and I'm going to say a number that is one less than this number here. So if it's 3, I'm going to say 2. Do you understand? So we're not going to say the number shown. We're going to say the number that is one less than this number. I'll show you again. Right now the number is shown is 5, but I'm not going to say 5. I'm going to say 5 1 less is 4. So my number is 4. I'm going to roll again. I have 3 again, so I'm going to say 3 1 less is 2. My number is 2. I'm going to roll again. I got 5 again. 5 1 less is 4. And I'm going to do it one more time. 1 1 less is 0. And so on and so forth. We can practice saying it. For the students that want to write it down, also, you can also make a number sentence. 1 1 less is 0, or 5 1 less is 4. So you can also write it and create number sentences to go with this activity. I want to show you, I have a teacher pay teacher account, and I have a store. It's called No Bells and Whistles, Just Good Stuff. Over there you can find a lot of fun games and activities. One of the resources you can find is Dora Dashley Distant Learning Activities for Kindergartners. And in that, there are pages of reading and writing and math activities. And today's math activities was this one, roll and say 1 less. And after you do this activity, there is also a nice game to practice the same concept of 1 more, 1 less, that you can purchase from my store and print it and play and have fun learning. So have a good day. Bye.